Um, Good morning, guys. Welcome to a webinar again of market review for June, right? I haven't done a video lately, because hey, there's been a lot going on. Like there was the FMAs um last month, like 20th to 22nd. There's a lot of networking that has been done and a lot of changes coming. There's a lot that was planned. And I had a event in Lesotho to plan, and then some things just went wrong. So I was really trying to fix that. But yeah, life moves on, eh? So with that said, it's winter now in South Africa. So it's very cold. And yeah, there's a lot of changes coming, a lot of things that I want to do. We want to do, a lot of things. Like we really want to have profitable traders across our country, then leading to other countries. I do believe that having a profitable trader in every household in Africa will make a big difference. And that's what I'm fighting for, and fighting for that means I need to have the right team and the right resources, you know, to execute what and yeah, with all the knowledge that I've gained over the years, it's time for things to happen. Anyway, getting straight to the market, right? So those are just some of the things that has been happening, so that has been taking my attention, but I'm back on the market. So let's get straight to it, right? I'll share my screen, hide my video to avoid distractions. Cool. Okay. First things first, right? We focus on what's happening this week. So last week was NFP, right? So I don't like trading the first week of any month, the NFP week, because usually what you do expect is just some spikes, like let me show you something from a chart. Um, which chart can I show you? Let's just take gold as a favorite, right? I really don't want to spend too much time on entry. I don't want to spend too much time explaining too much. I want to get straight to the point. Control Y. Okay, so this is today, right? So this was gold. So this is Friday, NFP. It moved. Even before NFP, it moved, right? It's pushed down. Anyway, that was Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Let's look at another pair, like, yeah, like this pair. Um, didn't move much, like Monday, then Tuesday it moved, Wednesday, Thursday it was quiet. And then let's look at another one, Euro USD. This was Friday, this was Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So it didn't move much during the whole week. It was just spiking. So that was NFP week. And then NFP obviously caused USD strength, you know? Cool. So I don't like trading the first week of 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 um of a month when NFP is coming. And yeah, this move I didn't expect, honestly. And yeah, so the whole week was crappish in a way, and then Friday was the major moves that happened. But anyway, we've got this week we've got major things coming through, which is CPI, right? Core price index, which moves the market a lot, and then we've got interest rate in one day. So I haven't seen this ever where there's CPI and interest rate in one day. So there's a lot of volatility coming on Wednesday. So I'm gonna sit Monday and Tuesday out, right, in this week. I'm gonna focus strictly on Wednesday because that's when there's a lot of market movement that's gonna happen. So what I'm predicting right now is this, right, in the market. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so the moving averages for US 30, this is the indice, right? Um, price has on this moving average, price has been bouncing. So you see how many days? I think it's been 5 days. Price tried to break, didn't. Second day, price bounced. There's no candle close up below this moving average. So how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like a week. In the entire week, it hasn't broken this to the downside. So what are we seeing? A bullish momentum somewhere to that area, 39423. So expecting buys on US 30, right? So looking at it from a blank chart, you know, from a blank perspective, right? It broke out, came retested, broke out, came down here to supported, possibly coming to that zone. You see, it's sitting on that support. So I'm expecting some bullish momentum right until there, right? I want to make this quick. So I'm expecting some bullish momentum until there, and then something like that, to break out of that. So yeah, we're expecting bulls on US 30. Right. So when US 30 goes up, there also gold moves in the same direction. So let's look at our gold then. Say USD. When we look at it, uh, this is the box that it's been sitting in, not breaking out of it. So you can see that it's holding that support, it's holding that support basically. So when we zoom in a bit, yeah, we can see that it's been ranging in this area. Then it had a consolidation there. It broke out to the top, went down. But now we're sitting on major support because look at how many times the support has been holding. This support has been holding since April, still holding. So we're expecting price to move up, a little bit retracement maybe, then push up till there. Then we'll decide what happens. We'll see what happens, something like that. But yeah, we are looking for gold to move up, which means USD weakness, right? That's what we're looking for. If we're looking for US 30 and gold to move up, then that means we're looking for USD weakness. So let's go to our dollar index. Our dollar index, as we've predicted, that was the sweet spot there. We predicted up movement till there. So it just came down for a double, I'll just say it's considered the double bottom. This is a chart. Price just came down for a double bottom. This is the first bottom. This is the second bottom. So with that said, looking for the circle. So yeah, that's the first bottom. This is the second bottom, this whole area here. So we've got a double bottom at the 61.8. So it's just forming a double bottom. Then before I move up, like we predicted that USD weakness. So we yes, we saw strength there. It pushed up, just needs to pull back before continuing the up movement. So we are expecting weakness to come through, come touch that moving average there, probably. So yeah, we are looking for USD weakness currently. And then maybe let's say CPI weakness and then interest rate strength, continue the strength that we expected. So it's a pullback on CPI and then strength for the strength for interest rate at 8, you know? So that's what we're expecting. So yeah, USD weakness, everything is confirming. What's also confirming here on gold? Yes, we confirmed that with the moving average on US 30 gold. It's on the support area here, also on my pivots. That's my indicator for confirmation. So yeah, we do expect gold to push up till there. What else? Okay, so we've got that. And dollar index, obviously, we were predicting it 61.8, turned bottom, from the double bottom, moved up. There's a moving average stopping it there, so it will come down, touch maybe there, then continue with the bullish move that we expected, right? So we've got that clear. And what else? Yeah, Euro USD, we're looking for weakness, remember? So Euro USD is not showing me anything good. Reset chart view, sorry. So yeah, we're looking for what I said, weakness. So there's a moving average there, stopping price from going up, but we're sitting on that trend line. We're not breaking it, sitting on it. So weakness would make sense for this to go a little bit up. So something like that we're expecting at least to that level, maybe. What will happen after then the strength comes? And then we're just looking for the break of this trend line. We'll see what happens here. But yes, weakness definitely looks good on that trend line for that weakness. GBP USD sitting there, weakness still there. This is daily time frame. So weakness still probably there. And then continue with the strength that we're expecting to push to the downside, right? So we've got our key ones there, these ones. USD and GBP USD is like twins. So yeah, and then gold and US 30 always sort of move the same direction. So we've confirmed weakness and then strength later, So that's what we're looking forward to. So yeah, I kept it short and simple and sweet. So yeah, it's straightforward what we're expecting. Um, just another thing, obviously. Yes, this is all happening Wednesday. So that weakness probably is gonna start from tomorrow, today, it's Tuesday, then leads to the CPI. Then next week, there's nothing much happening. There's AUD news, obviously nothing major for USD. So that confirms that this is where the move is going to happen on Wednesday. And then, oh yeah, the Bank of Japan interest rate on Friday. This is key to know because now Japan, JXY, must keep it close look at, because Japanese pairs have been weak. It's like the lowest point in the longest time. You can look from it has never hit this low. Since 2014, never, 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 never. So when I'm looking at the trend line that I drew, let's just look at this, right? Price always bounced on that trend line bounced. Now it's on there, So it could be interest rate could now push this as support to the upside. So we're looking to see what happens because yeah, man, Japanese yen has been very weak. So people have been trying to buy the yen, but it's never been ready. You see, so last week showed some strength, came back to the same area, It's not moving from this area as yet. It's not moving from this area as yet, and it's not forming, it's not going lower. So probably this is the support now. So we are hoping and praying for a push to this, to the upside. So we're watching these candles. So that thing, that interest rate on Friday could push Japanese yen up. So let's monitor it for Friday. And then we possibly could buy Japanese yen finally, but it's been weak. So that's why I don't even analyze the JPY pairs until I see the index showing me some good candle movement to show indicating strength of the yen. So we halfway through the year, possibly now the other half of the year it will push up, you know. It can't just keep on moving down. So yeah, that's what we're looking forward to. Please keep in mind, guys, that I always do this when it's summer in London, right? So it's been winter in London, right? And once summer starts, right, people take holidays, right? They go on holiday because now the sun is out. They could go to the beaches, take a holiday with the kids and enjoy life. So most bank traders, you know, take their leave in summer, you know. So obviously we know that London and USA are the ones that impact the market the most, the Forex market the most. So now if the London traders majority, 90% or 80% are on going on holiday, definitely the market will be affected and definitely the market will be slower. This is something that has been a factor for I've monitored for the past 4 or 5 years that always know when there's the summer holidays. So just know that since I just had rainy summer in London, since from the 20th of June, there's gonna be summer. Definitely expect some slow movement from June to 20th of July. Expect the market to be consolidating, you know. So yeah, try and make your money now. We've got like 10 days or 9 days until basically it starts slowing down. So yeah, we've got this month to really try and get as much profit before it's really, because once it's low, it's really, really hard to really make good profits. So with that said, yeah, be on the lookout. Once the 20th of June hits, when summer starts, people are gonna go on holiday as soon as they start getting the salaries. Most people get paid end of the month, so probably the market will start being very, very slow from July, leading to August. So yeah, that's all the information I have for now. So we'll keep on monitoring the market. So yeah, CPI, I'm expecting USD weakness. Interest rate, I'm expecting, like I said, here CPI weakness of USD, strength here. So good luck, and yeah, hope this helps. Cheers.